Ho ho ho! Let's make a Christmas tree! Let's begin with the leaves. Remove the double side tape and roll the tapes along the wire 45 degrees. Hold them strongly and tightly. Tape downward all the way until the leaf length is about 8 cm long. Then use your finger to open up the leaves. After done all 23 pieces of leaf, we are now going to use this Fora tape to tape them together. Remember to scratch the tape a little bit while taping the leaf. The tree has total 6 layers. First layer is 1 leaf. Then second layer is 3 leaves, and place the 3 leaves lower than the 1 leaf about 1 cm and so on. Make sure that each layer is about 1 cm gap. Tape the tree all the way to the end. Now open up your leaves to make a tree. Left about 5 cm as the tree stem. Then trim away excessive wire using a wire cutter. Now let's start the ornaments. Each ornament is made of 6 pieces of circles. First, fold all the circles into half, then glue them together. Take out one string and then glue the string into the ornaments before you glue the last circle together. Tighten up your ornaments while the glue is still wet by squeezing them closer to the center. Now let's make the star for the tree topper. Fold a right triangle according to this line. Then repeat doing this for the left side as a pair. Then glue them together. Use a stick to hold the structure from inner. For the rest of 3 corners, repeat the same steps until you get a star. In total, we will need 2 stars to put them together. And we wish you Merry Christmas!